Hey guys, I don't know if you know, but I just bought this 1958 Easy Traveler on Memorial Day. We drove up to Rockland, Maine to pick it up. It is a one-owner camper. It has succumbed to the elements and has a little bit of water damage on the inside, so it is the perfect camper for me to fully gut and turn into my rolling store. I flip furniture and sell antiques for fun. I'm a full-time speech assistant, so I am a week away from having my summer vacation. My goal is to have this camper up and running and on the road with me at the vintage markets by Memorial Day 2023. That gives me exactly 1 year. The plan is to gut it completely. Woo! And to the best of my ability, I will admit I don't know what I'm doing. What I will plan to do is gut the interior and put in a new floor. My husband's gonna plan to open this back up, put in a toy hauler style ramp and have the top open with pistons. It's gonna be empty wall to wall, a nice pop on the floor, shiplap walls, tin ceiling. We are hoping that we can get it done in a timely manner, but we have a almost 2-year-old very busy body. You can follow along. So if you click subscribe and like, we will start the process in just under a week. 1 more week of school and a very bossy 2-year-old. You want to play? Follow along. This will be an adventure. Here we go. All right, let's take a little look inside as is. All right, we have a mess of parts here. I am going to try and salvage as much as I can to resell the icebox, the heater, the countertops, the water tank, the cabinets if I can. The upholstery, believe it or not, was in really good shape and I have it in the house. This is the table. We had a little mishap with the trailer while getting her home. Whoops. Thank God for my very handy husband who saved the day here. So we take a look inside. You can see all the water damage. So everything you see here will be gutted. The mice have made quite the nice hotel out of this place. So once I get into this, I will be in full protective gear to ensure I don't catch anything disgusting. But everything has to go.